Welcome to this tutorial on Absa Bank fees and charges. As a valued customer, it is essential to understand the various fees and charges associated with your banking services. In this guide, we will break down the key concepts and provide practical examples to help you navigate the world of Absa Bank fees. Firstly, it is crucial to note that Absa Bank charges fees for various services, including account maintenance, transactions, and loan services. These fees are designed to cover the costs of providing these services to customers. The fees and charges vary depending on the type of account you hold, the services you use, and the frequency of transactions. One of the most common fees is the account maintenance fee, which is charged monthly or annually, depending on the account type. This fee ranges from a few dollars to several $100s, depending on the account balance and activity. For example, if you have a basic checking account with a low balance, you may be charged a monthly maintenance fee of around $10. Another type of fee is the transaction fee, which is charged for services such as ATM withdrawals, debit card transactions, and online transfers. These fees can range from a few cents to several dollars per transaction, depending on the type of transaction and the account you hold. For instance, if you withdraw cash from an out-of-network ATM, you may be charged a fee of around $3 per transaction. In addition to these fees, Absa Bank also charges interest rates on loans and credit cards. The interest rate is a percentage of the outstanding balance and is charged periodically, usually monthly. For example, if you have a credit card with an outstanding balance of $1,000 and an interest rate of 20% per annum, you will be charged an interest fee of around $17 per month. To minimize fees and charges, it is essential to choose the right account type and services that suit your needs. For example, if you have a high transaction volume, consider opening a business account that offers unlimited transactions. Additionally, you can avoid ATM fees by using in-network ATMs or withdrawing cash from your account at a branch. In conclusion, understanding Absa Bank fees and charges is crucial to managing your finances effectively. By being aware of the various fees and charges, you can make informed decisions about your banking services and minimize unnecessary costs. Always review your account statements and terms and conditions to stay up to date with the latest fees and charges. With this knowledge, you can enjoy a more efficient and cost-effective banking experience with Absa Bank.